Internet suspended. A section 144 imposed on Udaipur. Kanhaiya Lal like stabbing repeats again. Let me give you the elaboration of the incident. The internet service has been halted for 24 hours in Udaipur, Rajasthan due to the communal unrest that erupted on Friday. The local administration also enforced prohibitory orders to prevent the public gathering. The disturbance began when a group resorted to stone pelting and several cars ablaze. This led to closure of markets in various parts of cities, include Bapu Bazar, Hathipol, 𝐏𝐑�𝐿, Chetak Circle and surrounding areas. Additionally, a shopping mall was targeted where storefront glasses were shattered as report of the news agency given by PTI. Although hundreds have assembled outside the government hospital, police managed to disperse the crowd efficiently. The trigger for this unrest was the altercations at the local government hospital where the 10th grade student allegedly stabbed his peer with a knife. The Udaipur district collector Arvind Poshwal informed the authorities about the circumstances of the incident. Nothing that is occurred early in the day. We were alerted about the fight between these two students, during which one of them suffered a deep knife wound and was immediately hospitalized. The incident sparked the protest by some Hindu group at Madhuban, which escalated into violence. In response, extensive security measures were implemented city-wise, with police monitoring the situation closely. A meeting was also convened by District Commissioner Rajendra Bhatt, Collector Arvind Poshwal, SP Yogesh Goyal, and several local MPs and MLAs to address the situation and plan the further action.